Okay, James, go ahead.
What does that say? James and Evie.
And it's also it says
And their big
brother.
brother.
So it's like for all of them.
Okay, go ahead. Rip it open.
Oh.
What is it? Cool. A bingo kids game.
All right.
Right on.
Okay,
Okay,
go
Evie.
throw this away in the garbage.
Don't look at
He's teasing. You can look at it. She's all, what? You've got some cards in there, too.
Oh, look at the pinwheel.
Yeah.
On there.
Wow. This is from Alyssa and Aiden.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Somebody
wow.
loves. Oh. She's done.
And she writes stories all by
Birthday
herself.
gift.
Did I give him that? I do it too.
Wow.
Adric. Adric.
It's okay.
I can't anymore. Adric, let's
Adric, you still have
the
chocolate on
paper.
your
I
face.
always use it all.
I can go to the bathroom and wash off the chocolate.
Oh, sorry.
You got a new water gun.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks. You're fine.
That's Luau. All
All right. What else do you got?
She got a glue.
Glue stick. Oh, it's chapstick, not glue stick. Right on.
But it's really a
Can I use this?
Yeah,
Can
you
you
want to
open it up?
Sure.